Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to enable new Share UI changes in Windows 11 build 23493. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. Here's a quick look of the current Share UI. To enable the new Share UI, download the Vive tool. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following command. After executing the command, you'll need to restart your PC in order to see the changes. And now after restarting, you'll have the new Share UI, including a search box and larger UI. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.